Well, guys, I was gonna go live, but it won't let me. I guess I'm not allowed to go live on the followers. Alright. Yeah. Another update. She's getting fucked. There was a big explosion over there a little bit ago. Another one a little further down. There's been 4 or 5 big explosions recently. I know you can hear that. That's not a jet going over, that's the wind. The wind's blowing so hard it's creating a vortex. Woo! You get away from everything that can come over and kill me. Yeah, that's gonna go. That's gonna go. Got a little water on my camera, I see. That's how the sky is. It's a little greenish. Oh, my fellow Americans, I love you guys. Hope you're having a blessed day in these fucked up times. On top of this shit going on for us right now, we got Nord Stream 2, explosions, possible America. Holy fuck, man. There's all kinds of shit going on. Let's take a moment to appreciate the devastation. Oh, woo, yeah, of weather. The devastation, the actual power. Now this is power. This is God's hand right here, okay? This is power. So when we're freaking out about what's going on in the world with the politics, remember, there are things much more devastating. Okay, that almost picked me up. I'm done. Look what I'm riding this out in. This little shack right here, because I've been cancel cultured so much. You know what I mean? No power. No. No. I'm cooking my hamburger. Don't go off.